Hello everyone, my name is Anupama. I passed out of FSP in 2012, which means I was one of the first batch students of FSP, and I'm very happy and proud about it even today. After passing out from FSP, I moved to Pune, Nikmar, where I've done my real estate and urban infrastructure management masters, and then got a campus placement in Shapoorji Pallonji, where I worked for about 3 years. And my profile back then was contracts and procurement. Procurement was a part of the larger supply chain. With that experience, when I moved to the US in 2017, I got a job in a supply chain company called Henkel. I've been working with Henkel for the last 3.5 years. Very happy with the job that I am doing right now. Although it's a deviation from the core FSP subject, I feel like the career path I've chosen or the opportunities I've received in the last 10 years were all due to the base foundation that I got at Facilities and Services Planning. I'm very thankful for all the teachers and the founders of the group. I think it's a very good course. My message to everybody out there is to have trust in the group and definitely encourage it. I think this is the only subject or this group where we've seen so many topics being discussed, so many subjects which are not very common in the regular engineering courses. So I'm really thankful for this and definitely encourage everyone who is interested to go for it and look forward for very good opportunities that we all have out there, be it within the FSP core subjects or outside. We definitely have a lot of opportunities. Thank you.